Hi, I'm Jeremiah Dumka with Alliance RV, here today to talk to you about our all-new 375 RD floor plan. Let's go take a look. One of the first features that you're going to notice on this all-new 375 RD is our massive pass-through bay. In addition to, you have two oversized awnings on the exterior of the coach, 30-pound propane bottle on each side, as well as a spray port hookup to wash off those steps. Underneath the gooseneck, you're going to find a couple different cargo compartments, starting with our in addition to front storage compartment that enables an extra 35 cubic foot of storage, as well as our generator and battery compartments. Now that we're on the off-door side of the coach, a couple things worth pointing out. Our 6-point hydraulic leveling control module, the additional 30-gallon LP tank. Behind this bifold door, you're gonna find a beautiful amount of storage, our easy access panel for addressing any of your service-related needs, our convenience center with one of our newest features, the electric gate valve controls. Also, your exterior slide switches. Before we head to the back of the coach, I'd like to take a minute and talk about our best-in-class HVAC packages. With our 40,000 BTU furnace, our 12.6 gas electric water heater, or 40,500 BTUs of cooling power on the roof. Now that we're here at the caboose of the unit, let's talk about some of the features you'll find. First, your 2-inch receiver with a 300-pound tongue rating, 3,000-pound pull rating, our new steel ladder rated at 300 pounds, as well as our backup camera prep. Let's talk about where the RV hits the road, the tires. With a very robust performance running gear package, starting out with Super G rated 4,400-pound tires. You have a 7,000-pound axle with 8K springs, a Moride CRE suspension enhancement to keep your valuables safe while traveling. Just past the running gear, you're going to find a one-piece underbelly with heat pads to the tanks as well as forced air to extend that camping season. Now let's take a look at the inside of the coach. But before we do, check out our strutted fold-down steps as well as our Moride safety rail. Now that we're on the inside of the coach, one of the first things you'll notice is the ample amount of storage, whether it be above the buffet, in the pantry, or one of the many doors and drawers that you'll find. In addition to the storage, you'll find our 30-inch residential microwave, our 4-burner stove, 19 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, and our single bowl with pull-out faucet. Located directly across from the kitchen, you'll find our dedicated dinette slide with massive windows, day-night shades, and plenty of space to enjoy your meals. Not only did we load our kitchen with storage, we also did the entertainment center area with plenty of storage on either side of the TV, above the sofa, and let's not forget all the great views you'll get out of these atrium-style windows. Now that we're in the back of the coach, let's take a look at my all-time favorite living room floor plan. With an L-shaped sofa, a hideaway bed, a 65-inch LED TV, soundbar, a 5,000 BTU fireplace, it's sure to be the perfect entertainment spot. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll notice an oversized 60 by 30 shower, a residential toilet with soft close seat, a massive medicine cabinet, plenty of storage for all your linens, both above and below the sink. Nothing complements the bathroom better than this king bed suite. Boasting a full front closet with washer dryer prep, storage under the bed, outlets on either side of the bed so you're CPAP ready, and a full-size dresser along with a 32-inch LED TV. This bedroom is sure to give you comfort while you're on the road away from home. A couple more notable features on Alliance RV's flagship brand are our flush floor slides, our recessed can style lighting with dimmable switches, all the accent lighting that you'll find, as well as Azdale side walls. With all these features and a killer floor plan, this 375 RD is perfect for a full-time RVer. Well, that wraps up today's video. We appreciate you guys taking a look. For any other questions or comments, please visit us at generalrv.com.